On a Mac computer, there is one extra step you might have to take depending on what your settings are on your computer. Since you didn't download RockSim from the App Store on Apple, it's not from an identified developer, and so if you're, depending on how secure your settings are set, it will pop up an error message or a warning message when you go to open it the first time, saying it can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. This is a security thing that Mac has set up in their most recent operating systems. Don't panic, it's normal. It basically pops this up for any program you install that's not from the App Store. So the way to work around that, there's two options. So you'll go up to the Apple and click on System Preferences. And go to Security and Privacy. And you have two options. One, you can change your universal settings so that, like mine is set right now to only allow for the Mac App Store and identified developers. If you bought a brand new computer and haven't changed it, it's set to the Mac App Store. You can change it to anywhere, and then it will allow you to install any program, which potentially could allow for some dangerous things to be installed, but if you're careful, is really not that big of a deal. You can always change this back too. So if you want to change your universal settings, you'll click the lock and you'll have to put in your password. And then you can change it to anywhere, and see, it will give you this message saying, it may be dangerous just because it's not controlling it, but if you install programs regularly from websites that are not the App Store, this is something you'll probably want to do. I generally change mine on my computer. The other option you have is, if a program does get blocked, you can allow that single program to be opened. So here it says RockSim was blocked because it was from an unidentified developer. You can click Open Anyway, and this will now allow RockSim to be opened but not changing your universal settings. Or at least it should. I'm not sure why that didn't work. But like I said, I changed mine to anywhere, so that it allows that. So now, if you go to RockSim and open it up, it does not give you that same unidentified developer issue. It just says RockSim is an application from the internet. It gives you that for every single new install on a Mac. Click Open. Now it will open RockSim. You can see the little RockSim logo bouncing. If you want to keep RockSim in your dock so that you can always access it from here, you can right-click on the icon, go to Options, and Keep in Dock. So this will always be down here. That's obviously up to you.